Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be taking you along to do some beauty chores. I have to for sure wash my makeup brushes. They are in need of it, so that's a priority. I also want to go through my makeup basket, clean it out, clean the makeup packaging. I want to spray down the powders with some alcohol to sanitize them. And I also want to do a little bit of a swap of what I currently have in my makeup basket and swap out for some other things. And if I also have time, maybe going through and cleaning out my skincare cabinet, just giving it a good dust and cleaning. So that's what I'm hoping to accomplish today, and I can't wait to bring you along. Okie dokie, so this is my makeup kind of setup. It's on a bench. I sit on the floor in front of this window and get ready here. So I've got my brushes together. This is my makeup basket that I use like on the day-to-day, and then this is the rest of my makeup storage. So I want to go through this, like I said, just kind of clean everything out, maybe do a few swaps. But before I start, I want to do the brushes first so they have time to dry. So I'm going to take those downstairs and we'll give them a good wash and set them up to dry. And then I also need to just like spray down this bench area. It's a little, I don't know, there's like powder on it and just needs a little refresh.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. in the sky. We can